Hello, Art Maniacs! Get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Cuphead from the Nintendo game. All right, so to start with, we are going to come up here and we're going to draw a great big line coming across like that. It needs to be arched, okay? Then from there, we're going to draw a line coming up, another line coming up. It's about as big as our finger. Then we're going to draw kind of a curvy line coming down, a line coming across, a line coming across and up, and then a curvy line coming down like that. Then we're going to draw two more curvy lines for the stripe and two more curvy lines here for the stripe. And there is the straw. Okay, now we're gonna come down about a hand width, make a little mark right there. And we're gonna draw a line coming up like that, and another line coming up like that. And there is the cup. Now we're gonna make the handle. So it's gonna come out and around like that, and then out and around like that, about a finger width wide. Now we're gonna make his eyes. So his eyes start kind of in here, and they come down and around and end up at the end over here. Okay, now we're gonna find the middle about right here, and we're gonna go down to about here. We're gonna just drop down, hit that middle mark, and come back up. Here's my middle mark. I'm gonna come down and come back up like that, and then we're gonna draw his eyeballs. So I'm gonna start with a V. The V is gonna come up to that line, and then I'm gonna go down and back up, down and back up like that. And then this is all filled in black. Like so. Black, 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 black. Fill it in, fill it in. There we go. All right. Then we have this nose right here, which is just an oval. And then we've got a face. It's gonna come down, and then it's gonna come down like that. There we go. And there is the face. Excellent work. Oh, we forgot one thing. It's got a little line coming up like that. All right. So now we're gonna draw the glove right here. So for the glove, we're gonna start kind of right in the middle, down about 2 finger widths, and it's gonna come around, down, and then it's gonna come back up and around like that. It kind of looks like a freaky number 6. Then we're gonna draw some little accent lines in here. They look like little teardrops, kind of, or little claws. There you go. And then he's got the wrist part of his glove right there. And now we can draw the arm that's just gonna come down and line up like that. And then he's got a line right here that comes up kind of beside this line right here, and then comes back down. And then this will be the background, and then this is his shirt. Okay, now he's holding another little cup. And so for that one, we're gonna start right about here. Draw another kind of curving line, a nice gentle curve. It's gonna have a line that comes out, comes out, curves on the top, has another curve here because this is going to be blue and this will be white. And then we're going to draw the side of the cup. So it's going to come down, run into this, and then it's going to come down here, come back around, and come up. Then he's got a big old blue nose on him. So we're going to start there. He's got a little shine on his blue nose. Then he's got an eye that comes up like so, comes back down, comes up. There's a little V here, and that's filled in. And then he's got another eye here that comes up, back down, and curves around. And then the little eyepiece comes out and around like so, and then that's filled in. Go. And then he has the same kind of little face on him, and there, oh, we forgot the handle. Oh, there we go, you did it. Okay, then we've got the shoulder that comes up here, and we've got some pants that come down here, and then there's the other part of the leg. Here's the other leg, and then he has a little tummy that comes down and a leg, and it looks like he's got some shorts on. There we go. And then he's got a hand, or actually an arm, that comes down like that, and then that's all I'm seeing. So I don't know what the rest looks like. But if you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up on it and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania.